How to write a successful business plan. Number 11. Financial analysis. This section will reveal your marketing and operational plans costs. How much money you have, and what you need. How and when can investors expect a return? Provide the past and future 5-year results and projections. Quarterly or better still monthly time frames. Show critical events of the venture, including the following numbers. Sales, the number of products sold. Use competitors' data to estimate returns. Sales forecast. Estimate future sales and expenses. Document your assumptions. Net sales. Unit price times net volume, adjusted for collections. Cost of sales. Use detailed bills of material costs. Gross margin, sales less cost of sales. Operating expenses, R&D, general and admin expenses. Miscellaneous income. Sources such as interest or fees earned. Net income, your operating profit or loss plus miscellaneous income. Taxes on income. Net income before tax less taxes. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, cash flow analysis.